It's very funny, you know. This is what I want to talk about. The reason I'm doing this video is because of what Mr. Post said. Loko akombela kuruvaleriwa la. And then to not as fair. Because ke heshimo sana ke hirimbalela ke yo guys avuxeni mpfukile maxaka etindhawini to hambanahambana la mi vonaka mi ri kona le gere mina ni kha ni ku as doors ki tshwelekile nyora I'm thirsty ni twa to ra ni kha ni ku salute mi nga titimeli guys mi nga titimeli. So as you all know Mr. Post xikombile ku rivaleriwa ya xikombile ku rivaleriwa Mr. Post. Where's that thing? Mr. Post xikombile ku rivaleriwa ka Joe Shirimani for leswi yena nga swi vulavula ka Facebook. I think it's a Facebook liya loko a tsala hi ku where's that thing kambe ni swi kume kwini swi kona. I mean hinkwenu ha swi tiva ku i ncini xi nga endla ku bra Joe yi vula ku yi la ku n'wi suwa Mr. Post ne. Hi leswi a nga tshama a swi posta a xi post liya ya bra Joe liya ya ku happy birthday Zitha hi khensa support ya n'wina eka vunanga bya hina siku a rivele rinene njhani va veka na post ya Zitha la bu Joe Shirimani ne. Then Mr. Post ibe a vuya a share post liya ya bu Joe Shirimani a ku mgulugudu loyi Joe Shirimani yena a rhumaku genge yi tani rhuketela loko a tsandza hi ti hit nandzu wa mina ni wu tivi ni lava ku n'wi rhwexa xidumbu nhlokweni lava karhata lava ni lava ku n'wi rhwexa xidumbu nhlokweni hoza December ne. Ivi very post leyi yona yi nga va offenda swinene bra Joe Shirimani until va ya endla mhaka leya ku va threatena ku n'wi suwa Mr. Post. La mina ni nga fika ni agiwa ni ku a swi olovi ku suwa munhu ivi i kuma mali liya i nge wa n'wi suwa hi yona, because you have to prove to the court ku ri hi mpela where let's say you want 1 million tani leswi bra Joe a vule swona ku va la ku suwa Mr. Post 1 million and unless I apologize a tlha delete post liya ne. Which Mr. Post did, he apologizing and he also deleted that post. But I just felt like during that time, it's not easy to just sue. You say without court if you sue a moon. Maybe just because someone said something, when you just go there and sue and say you're demanding this amount. Because you have to prove during that period from last week to or that other week to this week, that this is how much I lost. And it amounts to 1 million. You have to prove to the court, am I letting I lose that 1 million because of that defamatory remarks, you know? And as antalugu wana ngasho olowa kusuwa munu ikuma lewe inga wa 1 million. So I just felt I needed to say that it's not easy. That's why I need to apologize Mr. Post yita emaka kuchava 1 million kumbe kuchava kuya court now because Mr. Post he didn't do this. Anga swi humeselangi rivaleni ka hina vahlaleri kumbe hina varhandzi va muzika wa Xitsonga kumbe hina valandzeri ne ku ri yena ina lawyer leyi nga n'wi yimela i vulavule hi yexa ku na munhu un'wana a nga kona around vele ku foyinelaneni, but we don't have proof because I twangi ku vulavula ka lawyer ya Mr. Post like we heard ka side ra bra Joe lava nga nghenele ka Nkanelo ne va vulavula hi ti action leti va lava ku ti teka ku va Mr. Post. So I just feel like it's not easy to sue someone. Mara ina ho hlaya leswi swi nga tshama swi tsariwa, so we are quoting what is once written. And I feel like I understand why bra Joe would want to sue Mr. Post and bangwa hlaya defamatory remarks if he felt offended, because Mr. Post I munhu loyi a tirha na vona swinene. Swi fana ku loko vanhu vo tala ve le handle vo ta ka mina va fika va ni lumbeta swilo, I won't be that offended. Kufana na loko munhu loyi a ni tivelaka kumbe loyi a ni tivaka kumbe munhu loyi ni nga tshama ni va close na yena a fika vulavula swilo swo biha hi mina ku ri ke ni ha tivelana wa vona. That one yi fika yi tshama yi va na impact ku tlula loko mpheleni un'wana na un'wana a vulavula swin'wana na swin'wana a swi vi na impact. So I understand why Brajo took that step of wanting to sue. I just feel like it's creating a fear now. Could people that are doing, for example, commentary Xitsonga, where are they gonna stand in terms of this kind of legal actions that could come their ways, including us here? Hana mali, hana camera. Hama ikuma ku 1 million both was so but attach what attach very attach look irava 1 million. So but attach so vulaku switisa ku chava na ku vanhu va vulavula. People can't be critical because this is what I don't understand. Can't be people be critical now because of the popular ra Brajo. I think I can pull it out here. Rin popular ne rikona la yi post Brajo kahle popular because I ringa vona popular and vanhu va ri ku complaining va ku a ri vona ka swi vona kahle va la ku hlaya kahle. Dr. Shirimani he posted popular in text format ku munhu un'wana na un'wana kota ku swi hlaya. Yes, I feel like I should read it because ri ntsakisile hi xilungu laha loko fa xi dono ra xilungu mi ta yi khomela guys. Ni la ku vulavula swin'wana leswi Mr. Post a nga swi vula about in his video though after this. So loko ni repa ni ta vulavula hi Mr. Post. I want to talk about Mr. Post, which I feel like Mr. Post is a little bit out of line. Kuna lava va nge a va koti ku hlaya kahle maletere, so if ke yi posta swilo leswi ka Facebook hi text va nga tirhisanga ti-PDF leti va ti tirhisini. So here for the love of music, all my fans, to all my TS, to all music lovers, the beauty of music is beyond my comprehension, and thus I cannot even fathom guys I can't even fathom how I will describe it. Music unites people, music comforts, music sends messages. I hereby note and acknowledge. You know, I hereby note. I hereby note. Yes. Where's that part? Because this is the most important part. So I hereby note and acknowledge the video clip tendered an apology by Mr. Post. As a seasoned, matured artist and producer of music, I accept the apology. That's what he said. Ne? So basically, he's accepting the apology. The apology has averted a legal action which my lawyers were idling to launch. So they were still waiting to hear whether Mr. Post withdraws his statement. The lawyer ta Mr. Brajo aba email ku bona ku ri nkarhi lowu va nga nyiketa Mr. Post wona wa wu tirhisa na hi ku apologize, and indeed he apologized. We were still having other options in place even after the apology, but out of humanity I instructed my lawyers to halt all the plans. So even after the apology, abalabe ku take actions still kushwile guys. I just want to demonstrate that I am not vindictive. I have nothing against Mr. Post or any other animuno. I have nothing against Mr. Post, or any other artist. He's doing his own things and I'm also doing mine. So where Mr. Post that's why I'm no problem. Mr. Post. The world has now changed. Freedom of expression is guaranteed by our constitution, which is true. And what it is important and worth noting is that the rights we have in the constitution are limited and go with responsibilities, which is very true. As much as nirna right ya kula swin'wana swin'wana ni guidiwa hi guys, I won't read this whole thing. It's long and madiriti lama nga lamakulu, some of them ningi matwisi, mara I just want to say we got everything. Mara ni la quote la kuri to all fans and To all my fans and fans of music, I refuse my name to be used to insult any other or hey, to all my fans and fans of yo guys. To all my fans and fans of music, I refuse my name to be used to insult and any person or artist. I publicly condemn poisonous factions in the music industry. Coming from Brajo, very interesting. No person shall claim to be my fan while publishing insults. So publishing insults, it means I don't understand. So if Mr. Post said something about Brajo or someone said something about Brajo, people can't publish or talk about that. That's the question I have. Because there is this legal action that could be taken against them. I am not responsible for what fans post or publish. This, which is true, because I feel like Mr. Post accused Brajo Mr. Post. So he's refusing lava support team Shirimani Mr. Post. It's not his responsibility. I think we all understand apology. You want to move on. Mara is warning against using his name to divide or insult other people or insulting himself. If you do that, you will be prosecuted or they will take legal actions. Guys, catch up with us. 1 million. So this thing what about the commentary? Can people talk about that's why I don't want to because we don't know. That's why they will take my criticisms or they will take my appreciation. Because sometimes you criticize someone or you critique someone and they take it personal, you know. But I feel like I understand why Brajo. I mean, people said a lot of things about Brajo. YouTubers have said a lot of things about Brajo. Even me, maybe, you know. But he's never went this far. So that's why I go back to that point I made earlier. Mr. Post na Brajo va tivana. So shiva more hateful. Logo shisuka ka munhu ingutiva kumbe lo akutivelako. Something like that. So I personally understand why Brajo took this stance of going the legal route if Mr. Post does not withdraw his statement. So, Mara, unlike ka video there, Mr. Post ulabula hey defense, Mr. could divide that artist. I'm like, no, Mr. Post. Whoa, I'm like, whoa, Mr. Post, wait a minute, because defense are actually reflecting what you guys are doing. You artists, taguna statement, whatever you say, whatever you post on our Facebooks, we are actually just drawing from what you guys are already publishing out there, and then we go with it. If in favor, for example, if in favor Joseph Ngomloro, Nitalanda Joseph Ngomloro, Shan in favor Hosmatakis, Nitalanda Hosmatakis, you know. So look, it's Allah as an artist, it's Allah something against another artist. It becomes news. It becomes some entertaining thing for people that are following. So you can't avoid that. So I defense who are dividing artists. I don't believe that. I believe people are just irresponsible with their statements, and then when as an artist, then very defense but divided the artist, values the artist. I don't think so. I don't think defense are dividing or are causing artists to fall. I mean, wo punta ka artist akon. Tikambe ta ko te punta to ngonta fumelela kula kulisa slang swa Facebook. So once she posta shira very man light mode or what mode. Not data. Guys, come on, let's be honest. Let's just take responsibility of our actions without trying to blame fans. I don't believe it's because of fans that people are fighting. It's just because they are fighting. Because look when certain ngoma ta vona tinakulwa. And I've said it before, Gaza is divided. It's divided because of artists that are posting things. They post things about each other. I mean, look at page ra Ben Mangan, for example, yaka page ra Mr. Post, yaka page ra Shirimani, yaka page ra that artists you know. You sometimes you can tell kuri post le yina ku kongoma. Yina audience yo. and you fans or people who are supporting the music, they always connect the dots because you are not. I mean, America, mitaso, all of you, mitsa about each other, mi gaga la, katungoma tanguna to bifana, and then milak jikai na migu hini milosako. No, kuna gumata talango letim bifana, kuman. The beef talango comes Xitsonga and it's said. And then look, you need so very lose that artist. Kanjan. Already because if you check the content of the song, you can tell gula man, himaka 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the command kumagu na want to come in, I will straight, I will sulu because I'm shonipa. And I still impact the quite one yinjan. I realize sticker should buy more actually he will have released one blah I quote from what the general public are saying. Information we hold back, you know. So it's not fair for Mr. Posco at accuse one or you want to lose up the artist. The artist regularly tosh. The artist still a tosh. Check out the lyrics started that when Mr. Post me jela kumina amilekulweni ayimwina mngakulweni na. Aba check ngoma ba team Shirimani wa jela ku abona bangakulweni na nabantu bangwana. Aba check ngoma laba bangaka BMQ ba jela ku abelekulweni bona na. Varangani music. Aba check ngoma ba jela ku la akutsarwa yini la. You know? Aba check ngoma le very man Ntokota Studios. Aba check ngoma ku rilewa ngoma aiti sukulwisa. You know? Tungoma ta beef titele man. Gaza, come on, me die to na win. The artist Gaza me die beef. Loko ku hava beef, I'm dinchum. Me die to ngoma beef ngatim ta act ala Mr. Post. And actually I'm not even trying to address Mr. Post only. The artist song and what? That's the die beef. Loko ku hava beef must talk ku hamge trend. Unless me mbela munhu wa munhu. Hambi beef kumbe chicken liya a Steve. Kumbe sausage I Steve, you know, could have Saizan, you know. We don't know. We're just speculating because nobody comes out to say she says Nuvla, so, you know. Munu Nuvla so. Mara it's a hit. A hit is a hit. Him kuchina hit. Mara look hit in beef. In a beef. Tell them what the beef touch song. So the artist touch song rest. Talanta ngoma to aka, to tsakisa, to entertainer, ta catchy without involving beef. If you want to stand kuri, mwina amlekulweni. Mara hashtag amlekulweni. Yata December that's fun. Kuri imana beef in kaman. Shapo. December revolution. Hey, that what is this year? I arrange. Umino manalo bula so Mr. Post apologized and the apology is accepted. And then they are moving forward. You know. And then, but Mr. Post, angatata ata embela aku defense itona to lose of the artist because the artist value ishubona I think main hashubona even when they do lives, their live videos. Kunangoma very competition. Yeah, Brajo. Come on, guys. Brajona could be. We're not even gonna talk about the content of the lyrics. Maybe I beef a chicken nugget. We don't know. But I think let me think like because kuna story behind. And again, the funny thing is, the artist song, me bifana ishingwina me kamitera song kwa live studio mara me kam bifana me kamitera song kuma kangomen me mbela song mara me lek bifana. Ay okay, we bagason. Guys, like us, I'm going to Nkanelo Gingirikani. look at mina ek is dors kusele nyora ni have 1 million mina. I don't even have cameras. I have nothing. So 1 million you qualify. You qualify. Offender, I apologize in advance. It was not my intention. Wholeheartedly so. Wholeheartedly so. So yeah, so nimkhulule sona ka nongonoko wa hina wa Nkanelo wa Gingirikani na mina Mandla Gingirikani wa ka Mashava. Nikese swinene. Ngena ku salute. Mi nga titimeli.